in the world is that? Let's start it up for the first time. Yo guys, we are back at KTM headquarters because we are going to unbox yet another MV Agusta. And of course, at the end of the video, we gotta put it on the trailer yet again. And looky, so yet again, they're not giving me any more forklifts. And also in today's video, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit more boring because Nicholas Jackson told me to start being normal and not trying to be funny because it's totally not working. So I can't really be myself. Now, back when I was normal, I was working a 9-to-5 job. And when I stopped being normal, I'm doing this kind of stuff. But anyway, especially for you, Nicholas, we're not going to be funny today. So yeah, in today's video, we got an MV Agusta inside of this box, the Superveloce S Black. Without any further ado, let's get cracking. Ooh. 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 Now, one of the things that I noticed quite quickly is that it's on the pallet sideways. I have no idea why, but over there it's in the middle, and over there, look at that, it's on the side. So for some reason, it is not dead centered. Strange. So what do you guys think? A keeper or not? I kind of like it. Very traditional, but also very modern. So we got the 800cc 3-cylinder, 147 horsepower. So we got a very low kilogram weight of 173. Yeah, this thing weighs 173 kilograms and 88 newton meters of torque. Now, of course, we're going to do its first startup because it's not doing anything just yet. We need to hook up the battery again. Yeah, take everything off, take the bike off. And I do wonder how these 3 exhaust pipes are going to sound. Italian bubble wrap. Ooh. When I put a motorcycle onto my trailer, some people tell me I should not pull it into its suspension because it could damage the suspension. But these bikes actually get delivered, pulled into their suspension, and they've been standing like this for weeks. Lightweight. Lightweight, baby! This thing is indeed very, very light. This one was made by Andrea Bianchi. So Andrea, if you're watching this, thank you very much. Now this sticker I can approve. Not really sure why they put the E10 on the gas tank. Kind of takes away the nice looks of this part. And also, why the hell is there a leather strap on here? Does anybody know? Let me know in the comments why the Superveloce has this leather strap. Huh. Oh, it's another lock. It's a bag with another lock inside. Look at that. And down here we have a little storage compartment with 2 wrenches as well. And now to take off the normal seat, we have to go underneath here and twist that little thingy over there, like that. Now I was hoping if we take out this seat, we would be able to get to the battery and hook on the battery. It turns out there is no battery here. Got the Euro 5 OBD connector over here, and one of these is for the battery and the other one is to put it on the computer Also, now where the hell is the battery? Well, it's somewhere down there, but underneath this little fender right here, we actually find this part. And we just need to hook up this one down there, and then it should be working. So let's start it up for the first time. Ooh, look at that. Battery status, okay, 12 volt. Nice. Now I gotta wait a little bit because we're going to get some fuel to put in it and do its first cold start. But we have some boxes. We're gonna unbox it first. Let's see what's in box number uno. Ooh. Got a lot of stuff going on over here. Paperwork, a lot of Italian. I don't really speak Italian that well. Then we have some more connectors, rubbers, and some more wiring. Another Italian letter to put your paperwork in. Magazines and some paperwork for the app. Then we have some bolts and nuts in there, I think. Oh yeah. Last time I thought this was a computer mouse, but it turns out to be the battery charger. This box, of course, as I thought, we have the beautiful small mirrors. We're gonna put them on in a second as well. Last but not least, the very special wooden box. Oh yeah. So we got a little MV Agusta map with some paperwork into it. Dear MV Agusta owner, whether a convert MV Agusta rider or a newcomer to the family, today we are proud and thankfully for your personal contribution to the history of our brand. Another client thank you, their customer. This cover was handmade exclusively for MV Agusta. We got some stickers for the kids. We get the small user's manual. Then we have the card. All MV Agusta bikes are hand-built at the historic factory on Lake Varese, assembled with passion and pride by incredibly skilled engineers and mechanics. I do like this one. It's like a metal box. If you open this one up, yeah, this is not the spare key. This is a USB stick with some secret information on it from your motorcycle. And if we take this part out, this is a place where you store your second key. Now, this box is actually pretty heavy. And the bike is already assembled, so I have no idea what's in this one, but it's kind of big box, huh? What is that? Racing kit racing. It's a racing kit? What do you mean it's a racing kit? This box is even too big for me. Let's put it on the ground. Yeah. Oh, look at that. This is nice. This is very nice. Superveloce. We have like the blueprint on this box. Golly, what the hell is in that? I read the instructions. You have to pull it out like this. Get the ribbon on this side. Do it like that. Wow, what in the world is that? Now this is cool. I have no idea what's inside of this box, but... Oh, we got some more stuff in here. What in the world is going on over here? Got some paperwork. Oh, this is for the extra lock. So there was a little lock underneath that part, underneath that seat. And this part does not have a lock into it. See that? This part does not have a lock. So this lock goes in there. And then we have that. Oh, this is the cover for the back side. Oh, check that out. So we don't have a back seat anymore for passengers. Oh, yeah. Look at this beauty. But wait, there is more inside of this box. We are not done yet. We have a big box over here. This is something to probably undo that cover. There's more inside. Oh, we have another computer. They have put another computer in it. Probably a racing kit to give it more horsepower or something. I don't know. Oh, this is a lot of bolts. A lot of bolts and nuts. Let's see what's in this one. More paperwork. And, oh, it's like an iron to if you get into a fist fight. Look at that. You can put this around your fingers and knuckle. Here's even more. Oh, racing exhausts. No way, look at that. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Racing mufflers. Seems like a lot of work to put them on though, so we're gonna do the cold start with the normal exhaust. This is how it looks without the passenger seat. really cool. Finally, without any further ado, it's time to fire it up. Let the beast roar. Now, if you want to change modes, the starter button is also the mapping button. So if you press the map button, you can go to sport, rain, race, and full custom settings. Now that is done, so let's take it outside, give it a little bit of gas, and let's put it on a trailer. Gonna be fun times riding this one soon. Oh, by the way, and the seating height, 830 millimeters. I'm 1 meter and 76 centimeters. Look at that, flat feet on the ground. And just like that, let's go home. Now, good news, this motorcycle is also coming to the press fleet. So yeah, Smokey will be riding this one as well. But that is it for the unboxing of the MV Agusta Superveloce S. Really had a good time here at KTM headquarters again with the MV Agusta guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Next one, I promise I'll be funny again. See ya! Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokeytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course. Yeah.